big hello to all my dear friends. Due to the COVID-19 conditions and the lockdown imposed by the authorities, all the school children are staying at home. So I just wanted to share a few healthy tips for you. So what we can do is, as the screens have become an inevitable part of our life, so we have to use mobiles, laptops, tabs, and even televisions. Uh, so there is no running away from the fact that even your homework must be given to you on your apps, and the screen time is a must nowadays. So what we can do is follow the few tips that I'm just going to tell you to keep your eyes in a good shape. So number one, first of all, most important is after every 20 minutes or so, you can close your eyes for a while, look towards a distant object at about 20 feet so that your eye muscles can relax for about 20 seconds if not more. So this is known as the 20-20-20 rule. So this is a must for every screen user, as the most frequent complications with the screen time are your eyes can become red, watery, itchy, and even you can face problems such as eye ache, headache, or even pain in the neck or shoulder. So you can avoid many of these by observing this rule. And secondly, what is most important is the blink reflex that is reduced with the use of screens. So it has been proven that even the blink reflex can fall to as low as 20 to 30% of your normal blink rate. So this is very important. You should keep it in your subconscious mind that you should keep on blinking when using the screens. So it will seem a little bit difficult at first, but you can adapt to it with the continuous use of your eye blinking while using the screens. So it will re-moisten the eye surface, and your eyes will not feel dry and itchy. And number three is you can take frequent breaks at about, if not less, you can take it at around 40 minutes or so. So that take a walk within your house so that your muscles can relax a bit, so that no fatigue sets in, and you will feel overall quite well with the use of this technique. Regular breaks. You can use the blue light filter that is now available on most of the devices. Uh, and if you are using the specs and the screen time is a must for you, then you can also use the anti-reflective coating that comes with the specs. It is quite helpful to cut out the harmful blue light. So ERC coating that can be done for your specs. And number five is you can incorporate some board games in your lifestyle. See, you cannot always go to screens for entertainment. The good old board games can be used, such as the carom board, chess, or if you are having table tennis at home, you can play that also with your siblings, your parents, and your grandparents. They will all feel happy, and you will have a good family time. And this lockdown phase can be converted into an opportunity in that regard. So, if even after following this, you face any problems or you are having any difficulties with your eyes, we as COVID warriors are continuously working, and our hospitals are open. So you can contact us at any time, and comprehensive eye evaluation can be done by us.